Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin GPS on a boat. First, power on your Garmin device and ensure it has a clear view of the sky for quick satellite acquisition. Securely mount the GPS in an easily visible and accessible location at the helm. Connect the device to your boat's power supply, typically 12-volt DC, and any necessary NME 2000 or NME 0183 networks. This initial setup is crucial for reliable performance on the water. Once powered, utilize the chart plotter to view detailed marine charts, including depth contours, navigation aids, and land features. You can easily create and follow routes by setting waypoints to your desired destinations, ensuring you stay on course. It's important to understand how to interpret various chart symbols for safe navigation, helping you avoid hazards and find the best paths. This makes navigating unfamiliar waters much simpler. Next, explore advanced features like sonar capabilities, including traditional chirp, clear view, and side view, for incredibly detailed underwater views. These technologies allow you to mark fishing hotspots and underwater structures directly on your chart with precision. You can also customize your display to show multiple data fields simultaneously, such as speed over ground, current depth, and water temperature, giving you comprehensive information at a glance. Finally, for optimal performance, always keep your Garmin device's software updated to access new features and improvements. Regularly clean the screen and connections to prevent corrosion and maintain clear visibility, especially in a marine environment. It's also a smart practice to back up your valuable waypoints and routes periodically to avoid any data loss. Following these tips will ensure your Garmin GPS serves you well for many seasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.